December 8th, 2020 practice. All right, convert 12 tons to pounds. All right, so we're starting with tons, 12 tons. It literally tells us right here. So we're going to put in our first box 12 tons, or you might see it as T, capital T for tons. Just like one of those big, heavy semi-trucks, they're weighed in tons because they're so heavy. So that's what like a ton is. Remember, we can always put that over 1 to make it into our fraction. Now, we're trying to convert from tons to pounds. Pounds, pounds, pounds. So we're trying to convert to pounds, or LBS. And we're trying to get rid of that T for tons. Let's take a look at our conversion for pounds and tons. Here we go. We have 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Now, we can cross out or cancel out our tons because, because our tons here, tons divided by tons is 1. Remember, anything divided by itself is 1. If we take a look at the bottom or our denominator of our fraction here, 1 times 1 is 1. Now let's take a look at the top. 12 times 2,000. All right, so I'm going to multiply over here. So 2,000 times 12. And remember, we do not have to line up decimals. We're just going to push it over to the right. Alrighty, so let's start multiplying. Well, I know that 2 times 0 is 0, because anything times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 again, you guessed it, 0. 2 times 0, you got it, 0. 2 times 2, 4. Alright, we are done with that 2. So that means we're going to put a placeholder of 0. And yes, I do need to put more zeros. I'm so sorry. Let me get more zeros. Whoop. Alright, so we're going to put that placeholder of 0. Now, 1 times 0, you guessed it, it's 0. 1 times 0 again, 0. 1 times 0 again, 0. 1 times 2, 2. Alright, we're going to add them up, add them up, add them up, up. 0 plus 0, oh yeah, it's 0. 0 plus 0 again, oh yeah, 0. 0 plus 0 again, oh yeah, 0. 4 plus 0, whew, thank goodness, it's 4. And then 2 plus 0 is going to be 2. So are there any decimals that we need? Nope. So our answer is 24,000. So 24, comma, 000. And we're going to keep that pounds, LBS. Make it a little smaller so it fits in the box. You don't have to. So now we have 24,000 pounds divided by 1. You guessed it. It just equals 24,000 pounds. So now our answer, yep, all we're just going to do, 24,000 pounds. And that's it for our answer. Woohoo! You did the practice. Great job.